I received this wooden yarn ball holder free to try, but I'm so excited to use it because I'm actually knitting a lot lately and I'm mixing two colors. The instructions were so easy to follow, so it's easy to assemble. You can keep your stitch markers on this side. Here you can put even scissors and a needle, a thimble, and all these little things you might need. Only the stitch markers are included in the kit. These are all mine. The size is pretty good here. It can take a very fat crochet hooks or skinnier, and a lot of just stainless steel or just plain crochet hooks. I'm currently working on a project that I need to mix two colors, so that's gonna be a great option where I'm pulling two colors at the same time.